Hi, well, while my bread is rising, I thought that I would go over what a starter is, or now this is kind of a faux sourdough, if you will. It's called a pre-ferment, a chef, a pouliche, or a sponge. And what it is you're putting together flour and water and a little bit of yeast. You're going to let this sit and ferment. It can be anywhere from an hour, and what's ideal is to do this overnight and then use it the next day. The longer it ferments, the more flavor it will get. You don't want to go too long because it's not a true sourdough, so it will form what they call a hooch on top and look kind of like dirty water. So here's how you put a sponge together. It's very simple. 3/4 of a cup of flour. This is for my bagel recipe. 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/8 teaspoon of yeast. Just put this all together, stir it up, loosely covered with a piece of plastic wrap or a lid. And by loosely, I mean not anything tight-fitting. You can just use a towel, cover it with a towel, leave that overnight. The idea for covering it at all is just so it won't form a crust. Let that sit, like I said, ideally overnight, and the next day use this for my bagel recipe and enjoy. It is such a good recipe. Bye, guys.